Bubble have just released and announced Bubble Enterprise, and this is important news for anyone who has ruled out Bubble in the past because they think this is just not going to work for big business. So everything I'm about to cover is not really for like MVPs or hobbyists necessarily, but I just want to highlight a couple of features that they've added in and it's been included in today's announcement. All the usual stuff, but I think what people are going to be most interested in is a SOC 2. I'm in the UK, in Europe, so that's not really a thing for us. We've got other policies, but I listen to This Week in Startups, and so I hear a lot about SOC 2. Being able to pick hosting region, that maybe is more important for people in Europe who need to know that their data is hosted in Europe. Single sign-on and data encryption at rest. Although, maybe someone can correct me in the comments here, I think that is a standard for everyone. That isn't just enterprise. Although certainly being able to pick a hosting region and SOC 2 is going to be enterprise. And we see that they've added in, let's get rid of that. Get rid of the cookie banner while we're talking about data protection. Yeah, they've added an enterprise. So, like I said, this is not for people who are building like an MVP who are bootstrapping because it is right at the other end of the pricing table. Yeah, picking a hosting region. They've moved that out of it's all gone into the final pricing item, which has no price. Yep, so that's it. Basically, if you draw Bubble out, if you thought that Bubble was not a good option because you didn't think it was hit the right protocols of security needed for your idea or your business, then it's certainly worth giving Bubble a second look now by just Googling Bubble for Enterprise, and you can read their whole announcement there.